you. Today we will discuss about the life cycle of pteridophyte. In last lecture we had discussed about the division of the pteridophyte. We had discussed about the division of pteridophyte, division of ferns. Is it clear? Today we will discuss about the life cycles of pteridophyte and what is the pteridophytes. Can you see this? In this last lecture we had discussed about division of pteridophytes. Can you see horizontal rhizome? Here is a, can you see everybody? Their development is horizontally, not vertically. Oh, sorry. Their division is vertically, not horizontally, like a thallus. They grow top. They grow top. Their growth is vertically. Their growth is vertically, not horizontally. Is it clear? Whatever I want to tell you, what I want to tell you here, this diagram is very important. Can you see? All see horizontal rhizome here? No, here is no horizontal rhizome because there is a vertical growth, vertically. Most important thing, right? Aminotetrads. Here is a, here is a horizontal rhizome. Here is the horizontal rhizomes and thread-like structure, that is the roots. That is the roots. Can you see everybody? Rhizomes is horizontal, but their growth is vertical. But their growth is vertical. Is it clear? Growth is vertical, but rhizome is horizontal and thread-like appearance. That is the root. Can you see everyone? Hanji, can you see? Now leaves are called here. Here leaves are called. Just a minute. Here is the leaves. Their leaves are very small. Now leaves are called the microsporophytes. Their leaves are called microsporophytes. Microsporophytes. Leaves are very small. Small leaves called the microsporophytes. Microsporophytes. There is the area. Here is the point where the spore present. Here is the point where the spores are present. Spores are present. Here is the point here where spores are present. वो पत्ते जिनके अंदर स्पोर्स होते हैं. These are the leaves where spores are. These are the leaves where spores are present. These are the leaves where spores are present. That is why they are called the microsporophytes. That's why they are known as the microsporophytes. Is it clear? This question is come at least 20 times in NEET exam. This question is arise. This question is come at least 20 times in NEET exam. This you porogonia. Here is porogonia, where spores are formed. Where spores are formed. Here is a spore formation take place. You see leaves. Leaves are very small here. Leaves are very small here. Internodal distance. Have you seen internodal distance in between? Here. That is the part here. Internodal distance is seen. Distance and branches are also present. Here you see the branches also. Here you see the branches also. These are the branches also present. Comes when spores are attached. These are come when spores are attached or called the, when spores are attached, these are called the stotoblasts. That is known as the stotoblasts. When spores are attached to the leaf, this is known as the stotoblasts. Is it clear? Is it clear? It grow vertically. It grow vertically. Sorry. It grow vertically. It not grow like horizontally. It not grow like horizontally like thallus. It has come up अपवर्ड डायरेक्शन में इसकी ग्रोथ होती है एंड ग्रो वर्टिकली. Rhizomes are present here. Rhizomes are present. This is known as the rhizomes. Rhizomes are present. That's why fern very easily spread. That's why ferns are easily spread due to the rhizomes. These are very easily spread due to the presence of ferns. These are spread very easily. Is it clear, everybody? These are spread very easily like a ginger. Due to the rhizome axis, roots are arise. Here is the roots are present. Here is the roots are present. This is called your club moss. This is also known as the club moss. Here is the structure where roots are present, and this is the rhizobium, which is horizontal. Rhizobium is horizontal and thread-like structure. That is the root. It is spread like a ginger, easily spreadable. That's why the ferns are easily spread like a ginger. These are the leaves. These are the internodal distance. That is the staurobilus, where staurobilus, where the spores are attached. There is the small size leaves, where spores are present. Here leaves are present in which spores are present. This is called the club moss and glycopodia. Moving forward, and life cycle of Petridophytes. We discuss about the life cycle of, now we will discuss about the life cycle of Petridophyte. Just a minute. Here is the life cycle of Petridophyte. Can you see? Can you again see here? Can you see? Rhizomes where root are generate. Here the, see carefully. This is the rhizome, which is grow horizontally. It grow horizontally, and rhizomes were next. Here roots are generated. Thread like roots are generated here. These are the roots. Thread like roots are generated here. Mature sporophytes are 2 in number. Mature sporophyte 2 in number means 50% from male and 50% from female. Is it clear, everybody? Where ferns are generally, can you see this? Fern, it is very important. Be attention. This is called the rod. Here it is. Just a minute. Wait. This structure. It is like this type of structure present here. This is called frond. It is called frond. It is called frond. Sorry. Frond. It is called frond. Clear, everybody? This structure is very, very important. Can you see leaf? On the leaves, spores are attached. Here, can you see the leaf? Here is the leaf. This is a one part of leaf. Here spores are attached. See carefully. Spores are attached. Can you see leaves? On leaves, spores are attached. Spores लगे हुए हैं बेटा जी. See carefully. Everybody concentrate on the screen. Everybody be concentrate on the screen. Can you see leaf? On leaves, spores are attached. Spore लगे हुए हैं. That's why once a spores, एक spores का गुच्छा, group of spores, that is a, sorry, group of spores is called the sorus. That is known as the sorus. Group of spores are known as the sorus. When spores are present in the group, that is known as the sporus. When spores are present in a group, that is known as the sporus. They have covering. They have covering also. When they have covering, when spores have, sorry, when spores have covering, just a minute. When spores have covering like that, when spores are have covering, this is very important. They have covering also. This is very important. Neat point of view. We may call the covering of sporus indusium. Indusium. When covering is present, that is known as the indusium. Indusium. That is known as indusium. This covering is known as the indusium. Is it clear, everybody? Clear? This covering is known as indusium. Is it clear, everybody? We may call the covering of sporus indusium. Clear? This is sporosium. This is sporangium. Here. This is sporangium. This is known as sporangium. Will burst. It bursts. Here you see the burst of sporangium. It bursts and will burst. Sporangium will do meiosis. It will do meiosis. Sporangium do meiosis. Meiosis is the reductional division. Meiosis is the reductional division. Means 2n number means मान लीजिए अगर हम है हमारे अंदर 46 नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम है तो मियोसिस होगी तो रिडक्शनल यानी कम हो जाएंगे क्रोमोसोम के नंबर हाफ हो जाएंगे nn हो जाएगा इट्स मीन 23 एज यूजुअल इनके अंदर जो क्रोमोसोम का नंबर है इट इज आल्सो reduced and divided into two parts यानी haploid creation होएगी it will be lead to dispersal of spores when it bursts spongium is burst when sporangium is burst it will lead to spread of spores. Here is the suppression of the dispersal of the spores take place. Here is a dispersal of the spores take place. Is it clear, everybody? Next is, can you all see the sporangia? Can you all see the sporangia? Here, it will burst. You open it to open it and spread the spores like this. Is it? Can you see spore will germinate? Can you see spores? Here is the spore. Spore will germinate. Can you see spore will germinate like this? Is it clear? Please see carefully. Spore is germinating something like this. Here, something like this. Spore is germinate like something like this. It is coming in MCQ questions. It is coming in MCQ question. I just told you few minutes ago. I had just told you few minutes ago. Also, as Indian, we should be very proud. As Indian, we should be very proud of our diversity. As Indian, we should very proud of our diversity. We should be extremely proud of our diversity. We are very diverse country. Because we are very diverse country, we have different religion, different color, different caste, different creeds, name and authenticity. We should all be very proud of it because we have a diverse country. Diversity is exist in India. Yes, I am respected each other and authenticity and respect each other choices, religion, preference. Is it? Yes, everybody. Next, here heart shape is prothallus. Here is heart shape. Looking carefully, heart shape is originate here. This is the prothallus. Prothallus. This is prothallus, heart shape. Very large number of MCQ come here. Prothallus is heart shape in the pteridophyte. Prothallus is heart shaped in the pteridophytes. Is it clear? Here, see carefully. Here is complete heart formation. See everybody. Here is the complete heart shape. Prothallus. There is a rhizomes. You see all. Here is a thread-like rhizomes. Carefully see everybody. Can you see that, right? Everybody, rhizomes and heart-shaped structure. Yes, here is your sperm. Just a minute. This is the sperm. Enter into which place? Sperm is enter into which place? Prothallus. This is the prothallus, which is या तो male बनेगा, then called the antheridium. Prothallus develop into male, then it is called the antheridium. When prothallus is matured into female, then it is called the archeogonium. When prothallus develop into female, then it is called the archeogonium. When prothallus is developed into male, then it is called the antheridium. Then it is called the antheridium. Called, is it? Can you see sperm are male coming from? It is coming from and enter into the female. It is coming from here and enter into the, just a minute. Sperm coming from here and enter into the female. Sperm are male coming from the and sperm are male part and coming from the and enter into the female. Fertilization will happen here. Fertilization take place and formation of zygote, which is 2n number. Formation of zygote. Here sperm is n number, haploid. Here sperm is n number, haploid, and zygote is 2n. Yani chromosome is 50 from father and 50 from mother. Is it clear, everybody? Next is female. Fertilization will happen and zygote will form. Fertilization will occur and formation of zygote take place just like meiosis. Just like meiosis. The zygote is dependent. Zygote is dependent. Zygote is dependent. So zygote depend on which? Zygote depend on which? Zygote is dependent. We say that zygote is dependent, and zygote is dependent on which? Zygote is dependent on the gametophyte. Zygote is dependent on the gametophyte. Can you see the gametophyte? Here is the gametophyte. Here is the gametophyte. Is the one main doing photosynthesis. It doing photosynthesis. Rhizoids is below it. Here is the rhizoids. Rhizoids are present below it. When gametophyte will die, then new sporophyte develops and leaves develop. New sporophyte develop and here is leaves develop. Here is leaves develop. Finally, leaf will form and spores. Finally, leaf will form and after that spores. And life cycle will continue again. And life cycle will continue again. Is it clear, everybody? Antheridium and archegonium. Here is the antheridium, male part. Archegonium is the female part. When they will produce spores, N plus N, 2N. Here, antheridium and archegonia, when they produce spores, N plus N, 50 male, 50 female, and then 2N is developed, and it is dependent. It is dependent. On which it is dependent? On the gametophyte. It depend on the gametophyte. It depend on the gametophyte. Gametophyte. And 2n is a sporophyte. 2n is a, it is sporophyte. 2n is sporophyte. Is it clear, everybody? Correct, beta ji? But immature sporophyte depend on the gametophyte. Immature sporophyte is depend on the gametophyte. Is it clear, everybody? Just a minute. Structure roots are present. Rhizomes are spread horizontally, and threads like appearance is known as the root. And this type of structure present here. Sorry, this type. This is known as the frond, and here is the leaf present, and spores are attached here. When a group of spores is present, that is known as the sorus, and the covering of sorus is known as the indusium. The covering of sporus is known as the indusium, and spores, when spongium burst, it occur meiosis. In spongium, meiosis is occur, which is haploid division, and when spongium burst, it spread the spores here, and spores spread like that, and the heart-like structure is originate, that is known as a prothallus. Prothallus develop into either male or female. If it develop into male, then it is known as the antheridium, and when prothallus is developed into female, that is known as the archegonium, and sperm is come here and enter into the female, and fertilization take place. Formation of zygote occur. Zygote is 2 in number. It is dependent on the gametophyte done photosynthesis, and here rhizoids are present below the gametophytes, and when gametophyte is die, a new sporophyte and leaves are originate. Again the life cycle continue. Everybody clear, beta ji? Clear? This is the life cycle of pteridophyte. But in immature sporophyte depend on the gametophyte. Next is division of gymnosperm. Next is, just a minute. This is the division of gymnosperm. That is the flowering plant. Gymnosperm is flowering plant. Let us move ahead. It is very, very important. Flower are represented as a unisexual here. Flower are represented as a unisexual. Cones are present, often both being produced on the same plant. Flowers are represented as a unisexual. Cones present. Proper flowers are not present. Cones are present. Both are presented on the same plant. Male as well as female cone. Present on the same plant. Instead of flower, they have cone. Cones present like that. These are the cones. Plant carry both male and female cones. One plant have male as well as female cones. Cycas revoltus. Cycas revoltus. Have you seen Cycas revoltus? Cycas revoltus, which is the most common plant, found when dinosaur was present on the earth. Cycas revoltus is the most common plant which is present on the earth when dinosaurs are present on the earth as a living fossil. Again, concentrate that. Have you seen Cycas revoltus? Cycas revoltus is the most common plant found on the earth when dinosaurs was present on the earth as a living fossils. Have you seen ginkgo biloba? Have you seen plant ginkgo biloba? Have you got ginkgo biloba? Ginkgo biloba are living fossil. It is also a living fossil. Ginkgo biloba are living fossil. One more question come from there. Ginkgo biloba is a living fossil. Perennial, it is also present in the one of these plant is present in the FIR Dehradun Forest Research Institute. It is the protective plant. Is it? These are the perennial. These are perennial and woody, forming bushes as well as tree. They form bushes as well as tree. Perennial, woody, either bushes and flower. It look like Christmas tree. Christmas tree is also cone plant and gymnosperm. Christmas tree is also cone plant. Oh, sorry, gymnosperm. Pine trees are also gymnosperm, and Christmas tree is also gymnosperm. Gymnosperm seeds are not enclosed into the fruit. Their seeds are not enclosed into the fruit. Their seeds are naked. And seeded. They do not have fruit covering. Their seeds do not have fruit covering around. They don't have seed covering around. They have seed, but they have seed. Is it clear? They form different type of spore. Just a minute. They form different type of seeds. They form different type of seed. They form different type. They form different type of seed. That's why they are known as heterosporous. That is known as heterosporous. Produce haploid microspore. Haploid microspore means small spore, and the one megaspore in male. Male megaspore means male जो gamete है वो large size है and female gamete is small size. And the strobila respectively. They also form the strobila respectively. Small size megaspore, large size female strobila respectively. Gametophyte do not have independent free living existence. Their gametophyte do not have independent free living existence. इनकी जो लाइफ साइकिल में गैमेटोफाइट होते हैं वो इंडिपेंडेंट नहीं होते. They don't have the free living existence. Is it clear? They don't have the free living existence. Clear beta? It is existent. Is that clear, everybody? Next, have you seen the Christmas tree? Everybody, have you seen the Christmas tree? Here is the Christmas tree. One of the very, very important thing. Tree also called the Nerfola Island. It is known as the Nerfola Island tree. It is also known as the Nerfola Island tree, also called, because England has an island. One story here is that England has a island called the Norfolk. England has an island. England के पास एक island है जिसे Norfolk कहते हैं. Island. All Christmas tree come arise from there. सभी Christmas tree माना जाता है कि come from there. They usually belong to the Norfolk. Island. That's why it is known as the Norfolk tree also. ginkgo biloba, living fossil, which is exist on the earth when dinosaurs are a living fossil. When dinosaur as a living fossil. Forest Research Institute, one of the very famous forest research institute present in the Dehradun, that is known as FIR. Ginkgo biloba, I had already told you before 2 minutes. Ginkgo biloba, a tree लगा हुआ है वहां पे, it is protected tree, uncommon है, that is very uncommon. Here is the cones, sorry, these are also cones, these are also cones, these are also cones. These are the ginkgo biloba. These are the ginkgo biloba tree. Very important. Ephida, gentiva, and Welwitschia. Gymnosperm found in the desert. Welwitschia is the gymnosperm found in the desert. Here, just a minute. Just a minute, wait. Here is the Welwitschia is the gymnosperm found in the desert, which is found in the desert area. Pinus, Cycas, Cedar, no worm. Here is the explain Pinus, Cycas, and Cedar. That is the very important. Cedar has no worm because oil quantity is so large. Because there is a large quantity of oil cedar. Because there is a very pungent oil in them. Because there is a very pungent oil in them. Is it clear, everybody? Next is they have the stem. They have the stem. They have stem. Branches may not have leaves. Simple. They have the vascular tissues. Vascular tissues are present. Vascular tissues are present, but vessels form xylem. Xylem is present, but companion cells are absent. Here, companion cells are absent in the xylem. Companion cells are absent in the xylem. Is it clear, everybody, beta? Here is the division of the gymnosperm. Here is a division of gymnosperm. Tomorrow we will discuss about the life cycle of gymnosperm as well as angiosperm. Okay. Any problem, beta? यदि